welcome back. It's actually been a couple weeks since I talked to you guys. But the van build is still not complete, no. So we just have a few extra little snags that I want to work on for the van. First off, my windows came in, which I'm really excited about. So let me show you. Okay, so here are my windows. Let me point you down a little bit more. Let's go ahead and cut them. We have 3 in total. I'm really scared. I forget what these look like and exactly how big they are. So this is what my back windows look like. So they got the T. I think one of these windows slides open. Okay, I need to show you something. So I took the frame off of one of them. So this one, they looked like they were together, but it was in 2 separate pieces, and it was around here, like this one. So as you can see, this one has the frame and this one doesn't. So I took the panel off, just these 2 screws here and here, so 4. And we need to do that. Next step is we need to make a template. Okay, so I figured it out. So the template you need to do, the girl, she did, Louie, I watched the girl, you can see me, yeah. And she had different windows and she traced that thing over there. That's not the window. But looking at it, I think you can just trace the inside of this. So like this inside right here, just trace that. And that should be the length, the shape and size of your hole in your van. So we're gonna try that. First, we're gonna use a pencil. These windows are not completely straight, but they're specific to my van. I know the windows aren't completely flat, so I'm hoping this is on purpose, not by accident. What I'm doing is I bring the cardboard up to the window so there is contact and tracing. Alright, now that we have our template, I'm going to make sure this fits the other window too. It should, because they're the same windows. Let's go ahead and decide where we want to put it. Okay, so I got my template. Got the window. Of course, most people get these done like first things first when they build their van. I like to do things a little backwards, clearly. Okay, now let's choose where we want it. I would like it centered. There. The best way of doing this is just measuring like one of these top lines here. This is dope. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so what I did was I kind of decided where the middle of it all is around the rim. The top, I'm 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the bottom, and the sides, they're about 1 inch and 1 inch too. So, yeah. I'm gonna go out the window and make sure that this is okay, because I know there's gonna be a little bit of a push out. So I wanna make sure I don't need to leave any more room. I don't think so, because this is meant for this van. Yeah. That should be fine. That should be just fine. Alright, let's go ahead and trace it. Okay, now that I have the templates down, let's go ahead and next thing is I need to make some pilot holes to kind of aim where everything is. So I'm going to put some pilot holes on each corner that starts turning. So one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. I'll probably do 2 in the middle. Now keep on the inside of it. Don't hit the line, go on the inside of the line. So you don't have to make your hole bigger, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we'll go outside and get the template on there too. And then we'll look into cutting the hole. Okay. Okay, I put dots where I want all of my holes, so we're only gonna do 1 at a time. So if I fuck up this one, at least I'll have time to save that one. So, of course, start out small. Yeah, this should be okay. The metal isn't super thick, so. Alright, as you can see, now let's go on the other side and line up the template with the holes and trace it with a Sharpie. Okay. Okay, so you can't see the holes, but there's some small holes around here. Let's go ahead and line this up. I think I need a stool. I need a stepping ladder. Looks pretty good. Alright, now we just trace it. Alright. Next, let's clean it. Get all that dirt off of there, and then let's put some Scotch tape around it to protect the metal. And then we'll make one of those holes really big, and we'll start jigsawing it. Yay. Okay, so before I make a pilot hole that's big enough for my jigsaw blade, I need to protect my van. So I actually put this little sheet on the inside to make sure none of the metal shards get in my van and stuff. So let me just show you what I did. As you can see, I just kind of taped it. I taped it down here, and it'll just catch all the metal shards and protect my van. Super important. I would not do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and make one of those holes really big with some bits. And then I bought some metal jigsaw blades that cut medium metal. I didn't know how thick I was going, so medium sound good. And then we'll hopefully my jigsaw is power enough to do it. I think it will. I got this. Hey Anna, what's up? Okay, I got a hole big enough. Now with cutting, I'm gonna do each side one at a time and then stop and then tape it down. So when I'm cutting it, there's not a lot of vibration. I can stick to the line. And by the end of it, all of it should be taped down. So I'm so scared. Okay, here we go. Remember, eye safety, always. Okay, so there's a hole now. Ah! It fits! Yes, it fits! Okay, next thing we need to do is we need to just There's a lot of sharp edges, so we need to file them down. And then it looks like a metal shard cut me. There's metal shards all up in my skin right now. Anyways, let's file it, and then we're gonna spray it with some enamel to prevent rusting. Alright, then let's go ahead and let that dry, and then we'll, next we need to put the foam stuff on it. That it came in the package, so the foam stuff that will make it sealed. So let's go ahead and do that while we're waiting. Okay, so I was told that I need to clean the rim with acetone first to make sure there's no debris or anything on it. Go ahead and do that. So this is where this is going to attach, and we just need a cushion in between this and this. So they gave me this stuff. I know you can't see me, but so I was told to leave the light on unless you're going around the edges. So they're sticky on both sides. It's a double-sided thing, which is dope. Okay, so I'm just gonna start from one end. Okay, so you can see that I overlapped them a little bit to make sure there was a good seal, and I don't think this will do anything, so. Okay, now I need help. Need someone to hold the window there while I screw everything in. Okay, gotta go ask my grandpa. Okay, my older brother's holding it. Let's see if I can get you closer. We're just gonna go ahead and screw these in. Sorry Josh, I'm really nervous about this. Yes, we have our first window! Yay! Let's go look at the outside. Oh my god! We have a window. Okay, alright, I guess all we have to do is do the last one. It was pretty easy. My brother really didn't need to help me. I just want to make sure it was grabbing the window. But let's go ahead and do the other one. Same thing. As you can see, I already started it. I already put my little holes here. I just need to make one of these holes really big and then cut it, file it, all that good stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, let me do that other one. All right, we got the last one installed. Ah! I'm so happy. And they're well tinted, so you can't, it's really hard to look inside, to be honest. If it's like really dark in there, I would say it's pretty hard to look in there. Okay, I want to do the last window. Where's the sun? Oh shit, the sun's going down. Fuck. Alright, I think I'm done for today. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm sorry, this took a while for me to get to a conclusion. I think I'm done.